Farishta, your shopper's beauty pro, and today I have teamed up with Jaclyn to talk about all things skincare.
That's right. Hi everyone, I'm Jaclyn Forbes, and I'm going to take you through our fave day and night skincare routines that are perfect for a little holiday pampering. Okay, Farishta, spill the secrets. How do you get this gorgeous daytime glow?
Anyone that knows me knows that I am obsessed with my skincare, and that starts from the moment I wake up. I love a squeaky clean face, so I love using my GlamGlow SuperCleanse Clearing Creamtofoam Cleanser.
That is literally one of my favorites.
This is a great cleanser as it clears my skin of any impurities, whether it's on the surface or deep in my pores. So I start off with thoroughly rinsing my skin and then lather this up in a circular motion. This is especially great if you're wearing a face mask, as your skin can have congested pores.
Okay, Farishta, this one's for you.
Thanks, Jaclyn. After I'm all clean, I like to use my Guerlain Abeille Royale Youth Watery Oil as my serum. This is a beautiful product to rehydrate and plump up the skin. I'm going to use just a few drops of this, and I'm going to be patting it into my skin rather than massaging it. This watery oil is a lightweight formula that sinks in just beautifully to the skin. If you deal with puffiness in the morning, this is a great time to introduce the Quo Gua Sha massager as a way to help with lymphatic drainage. Here, try it, Jaclyn.
Thanks so much.
You want to massage your skin in an outwards motion. You can use this under your eyes to help with morning puffiness, along your jawlines and the contours of your cheek to also help define the shape. The Gua Sha tool remains naturally cool for a long period of time, but if you like to have a bit of extra coolage, you can place it in your fridge as well. Next, I want to make sure my under eyes get some love too, so I'm going to be applying just the smallest amount of the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream.
Ooh, Farishta, that is a good product.
I like to pat this around my orbital bone using just my ring finger as it has the lightest touch and it won't tug at the skin. Remember that our aim is to prevent aging skin rather than trying to repair it, so you'll want some sort of anti-aging product in your skincare routine, which is why this eye cream is perfect no matter what your age. Lastly, but definitely not least, I'm going to be using my Roche-Posay Toleraine Sensitive UV SPF 30 Daily Facial Moisturizer. I'm going to use a teaspoon amount to get the proper coverage and moisture. The Toleraine line is one of my top recommendations for everyone, especially if you tend to have sensitive skin, as it's sterile and the calming ingredients will help prevent reactions from occurring. Now, I know this isn't really skincare, but I love a fragrance to set my mood for the rest of the day. I'm going to be using my new favorite, which is the Giorgrio Armani My Way Eau de Parfum. I like to spray my pulse points, which should be on my neck by my ear, my inner wrist, and if you'd like to even kick it up a bit, you could do your inner elbow or behind your knees.
Oh, I love that.
And there are my secret or not so secret daytime skincare routines. But taking care of your skin at night
is just as important. Trust me, you're gonna thank me later.
Trust her, you're gonna thank her.
Now, I'm very passionate about maintaining a great skincare routine. It's no secret, I'm skincare obsessed, which means I've tried out a ton of products, so I know it's worth adding to your list and adding into your routine. So today I'm joining you barefaced, but I do wanna walk you through my entire skincare routine from start to finish. So we're gonna start with step number 1, makeup remover. Now I've got the Bioderma Hydrabio H2O Micellar water here. And this is a really effective yet gentle makeup remover, and it really helps lift off any dirt or debris that could collect on your skin, but it also is good for removing waterproof mascara, which I wear literally every single day. Now, you might be asking, Jaclyn, if you've got no makeup on, then why are you doing this step? Well, even if I'm not wearing makeup, I do wear SPF throughout the day, and really just the general grime and the air of the city, it can build up on your skin. So I always think doing a double cleanse is a really good option, and it's always the first step. So here's how I use it. I'm gonna take a little cotton round here. This is a reusable one. So I just apply some of the micellar water, and then I just gently swipe it all over my skin. Just like that, super simple. So now you've got no excuse to skip it. Next up, I've got a cleanser here. This is a Clinique liquid facial soap, and this has been a fan favorite product for a long time. I've been using it forever. Now, I like opting for a mild cleanser just like this, and I basically just massage this into my skin with some water, wash like normal, and rinse it off. Now, here's a tip, and it actually might sound super simple, but I bet you majority of people aren't doing this, and that is to follow the 60-second cleanse rule. Now, you might be saying, what's the 60-second cleanse rule? That basically means that you're actually cleansing your skin and massaging the product onto your face for at least 60 seconds. Crazy, I know. You just really want to make sure that you're not just slapping it on and rinsing it off. I know it can be tempting when you see all of those skincare commercials. You just want to go, whoo! But you really do want to make sure that you give your cleanser time to work. Okay, I think it's just about time. I think I'm ready to rinse off. Farishta, can I have a towel? Right on cue. And now we're just gonna rinse off with a bit of water and a cloth. Moving on, we've got the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. Anyone that knows me knows that I spend majority of my life in a face mask, so I personally like to have a variety of different masks on hand that really target different skincare needs. So this one here, really great for helping purify the skin. It's got deep cleaning properties inside with that charcoal, and it really just helps remove any impurities. It's really refreshing on the skin, and it's really good if you're looking to help reduce the appearance of pores. Now this is a holiday look. Apply and leave on for 10 minutes. Once this is ready to rinse off, I'll meet you at the next step. Next up, we got a serum. Now I'm using the Darphin HYDRASKIN Intensive Skin Hydrating Serum, which is really great for giving your skin a little cup of hydration. Now you know that feeling when you've been drinking your water, you've been getting good sleep, doing all the good things for your body? Well, this serum basically does it for you. Now it's really great because it really helps relieve any skin tightness or dryness that you might be experiencing. And I really like it because it gives my skin that dewy look and it just locks in that extra moisture, which I'll never say no to, especially during these colder months. Wow, I feel like the epitome of health right now. Now you can't forget about face moisturizer. I'm using the Clarins Reboost Mattifying Hydrating Cream, and I've actually been using this moisturizer in my routine for a really long time because I'm someone who struggles with combination skin as well as acne-prone skin, and this moisturizer was basically made for my skin type. Now it's formulated obviously with those skin types in mind, but even better, the formula is made with plant-based ingredients. So these are things that not only equal happy skin, but also a happy Jack. I'm just gonna marinate in all this moisturizer tonight. It's my favorite word when doing skincare, marinate. I like to layer. I just wanna wake up feeling like a freshly glazed donut. Now, of course, I always gotta include an eye cream. I'm using La Roche-Posay Redermic R Retinol Anti-Aging Eye Intensive Concentrate. Now, someone once told me that you can never start too early with an eye cream. So once I heard that, I included it in my skincare routine ever since, and here we are. So basically, what I like to do is take a little bit of product, and I always apply it onto my ring finger. And like the pros always say, gently tap it around the orbital bone, just like that. Even just the simple act of literally putting on the eye cream makes me feel so luxurious. Just like, oh, I'm pampering myself. Thanks so much for watching, and go ahead, give a little joy to your skin this holiday.
It's a perfect daytime and nighttime routine. Wishing you all a warm and glowing holiday season.
Bye.